Hi! Today on Araw-Araw Filipino, we will learn how to ask and answer questions that start with how or paano in Filipino. Previously, we have learned that in Filipino, we have different ways to say how depending on the context. If we are asking about the method to do something, it's paano. How much is the measure of something? Gaano. How much is the cost of something? Magkano. How many is the count of something? Ilan. In this lesson, we will focus on asking and answering questions about how to do something or the method. In Filipino, paano. Here are some examples to start with. How is this? Paano ito? How is that? About something nearby. Paano iyan? How is that? About something further away. Paano iyon? Here are some new words or mga bagong salita. This will help us because when we ask how to do something, then we need the Filipino words gawain or gawin. When we ask how to use something, then we need the word gamitin. Let us try those new words now. How is this done? Paano gawain ito? How is that done? Paano gawain iyan? How is that done? Paano gawain iyon? Here is another set of sentences. How is this used? Paano gamitin ito? How is that used? Paano gamitin iyan? How is that used? Paano gamitin iyon? Now let us look at sentences asking about how to use a specific object. How is this key used? Paano gamitin itong susi? How is that key used? Paano gamitin iyang susi? How is that key used? Paano gamitin iyong susi? So the word key is susi. And because we have specified the object in question, we added an NG to the ito, iyan, and iyon. So it became itong, iyang, iyong. Here is a set of new words or mga bagong salita. This time it will help us to answer questions that start with how or paano. Like this, ganito. Like that, ganiyan, ganyan. Like that, ganoon, ganun. Again, like this is ganito. Like that, ganiyan or ganyan. Like that, ganoon or ganun. Let us practice those new words using an illustration. Here is a father and son, and the son does not know how to use the chopsticks. So he asked, "How is this done?" "Like this," said the father. Here is the Filipino version. Paano po ito gawain? Ganito. Here is a different version. How do you use this? I use it like this. Here is the Filipino version. Paano mo po gamitin ito? Ganito ko gamitin ito. Let us look at that conversation again. How do you use this? Paano mo gamitin ito? I use it like this. Ganito ko gamitin ito. How do you? Paano mo? Use this. Gamitin ito. Use it is also gamitin ito. We say ito for both this and it. And I is ko. Let us change up that conversation. How do I use this? Like this? Yes, like that. Here is the Filipino version. Paano ko po gamitin ito? Ganito po ba? Oo, ganyan. Here is that conversation again. How do I use this? Paano ko po gamitin ito? Like this? Ganito po ba? Yes, like that. Oo, ganyan. So, how do I is paano ko. And take note of the word in green, which is ba. Remember, when we are asking questions, we can add ba at the end. So, like this, ganito po ba? Here are some new words or mga bagong salita for your practice. If you want to ask how to play something, laruin. Say, sabihin. Answer, sagutin. Ask, tanungin. Arrange, ayusin. Again, play, laruin. Say, sabihin. Answer, sagutin. Ask, tanungin. Arrange, ayusin. I know these are just a few words, so if you are ever at a loss for what Filipino words to use, here is a reminder from Max.
I have a tip for you guys. Did you know you can actually mix Filipino and English words?
That's right. If you are short for words, just mix it up. For example, how do you play that? In Filipino, you can say, paano mo i-play iyan? So simply add an I in front of the English word, and that will work fine. That's it for our lesson today. As a homework, practice asking questions that start with how or paano when asking how to do or use things. Practice answering it too, as well as try using the new action words or verbs that we have learned. I hope you can join us again next time on Araw-Araw Filipino. Thank you. Salamat po. Now, a few words from my son, Max.
Thought this video was cool? Watch the next one and like and subscribe to the channel too if you haven't yet.
Bye-bye!
Bye!